naman, no days off. Kahit may construction, nagsipas ng bahay, taping, may show, nagkasakit, injured. Everyday, may exercise for the heart, for the mind, for the soul, for the spirit, for the muscles. Everyday yan, everyday. And then, ever since naging kami ni wifey, 6 years na, going 7, hindi na ako nagda-diet. Kulang lang yung protein na kinain ko sa buong araw, kakalculating ko, mamano-mano ko na lang ka-eyeball ko. Saka ako magpo-protein shake, protein pudding ko, konti lang yung tubig. Sarap, parang champurado. Pag vanilla, parang vanilla pudding. O pwede ko gawin ice cream, o pwede protein shake. Pero as much as possible sa pagkain. Kasi lahat yan calories eh. So kung marami ka kailangan ng junk food, marami ka kailangan i-burn. Ngayon, kung sumobra yung fat, di lalo magiging fat yung sobrang calories, diba? Calorie surplus para lagi tayo sa dati. Tama kayo, mali ako, not your doctor. Do what works for you. Happy, healthy guys. God bless.